So Unity stock price gained 17.60% on the last trading day, rising from $31 to 36.32. It has now gained 3 days in a row. It's not often that stocks manage to gain so many days in a row, and falls for a day or two should be expected. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 27.50% from a day low at $30.94 to a day high of $39.45. So the price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 24.81% over the past 2 weeks. So for the upcoming trading day, I expect Unity Software Incorporation to open at $35.57, and during the day, based on 14-day average true range, to move between $34.25 and $38.39, which gives a possible trading interval of $2.07 up or down from last closing price. If Unity Software Incorporation takes out the full calculated possible swing range, there will be an estimated 11.37% move between the lowest and the highest trading price during the day. So Unity holds several positive signals, but I still don't find these to be enough for a buy candidate. At the current level, it should be considered as a hold candidate in this position whilst awaiting for further development. So that is it. I'm not a financial advisor. Go and do your own research and invest in your own risk. See you in the next video.